Our house is so poor. We don't even have a fireplace.
My brother's gone to work already.
We didn't earn much today. I wonder if this restaurant's hiring. Could you let me work here?
We're not hiring.
If we can't find work, how are we supposed to survive?
Yeah! We got dinner for tonight!
I heard there's gonna be a snowstorm in a few days.
What? Ah! We have to move somewhere else!
Let's clean up and get ready for the snowstorm. We need to get out of here right now.
It's so cold!
This place isn't safe. Run faster! Run, little sister. Forget about me.
Where are you?